Welcome to the ultimate smartphone comparison, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra versus the Nothing Phone 4 Pro. Let's see how these two devices stack up. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is the premium flagship, priced at 127,998 rupees. The Nothing Phone 4 Pro, the value disruptor, comes in at 42,990 rupees. Key features show the Samsung with a stronger processor, a 200 megapixels main camera, and a 6.9 QHD Plus screen. The Nothing Phone boasts a slightly larger 5,400 mAh battery. Durability comparison highlights Samsung's superior protection, including Gorilla Glass Armor 2 and IP68 water resistance. The Nothing Phone features Glass 7i and IP65 resistance. In visual brilliance, the Samsung screen offers 2,600 nits brightness and 120 Hz. The Nothing Phone excels with an astounding 5,000 nits peak brightness and a 144 Hz refresh rate. For processing power, Samsung, with its Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, achieved a significantly higher Antutu score and faster boot-up time compared to the Nothing Phone Snapdragon 7 Gen 4. In sustained gaming, both devices showed an 8% battery drain over 30 minutes. Samsung had better thermal management and a much higher wildlife extreme score. Samsung's camera hardware includes a 200 megapixels main lens, plus periscope, telephoto, ultra-wide, and macro lenses. Nothing offers a 50 megapixels main and a 50 megapixels ultra-wide setup. Samsung supports superior video capture with 8K at 30 FPS, advanced editing tools, and AI portraits. Nothing offers 4K video at 30 FPS and standard portrait modes. The Nothing Phone's 5,400 mAh battery provides slightly less PC mark life than Samsung's 5,000 mAh. Samsung supports faster fast charging and 25W wireless charging, which the Nothing Phone lacks. Samsung boasts future-proof connections with Wi-Fi 7 and UFS 4.0 storage. Nothing utilizes Wi-Fi 6 and UFS 3.1 storage. Samsung offers 7 years of OS updates until 2033, demonstrating a significant commitment to support. Nothing offers 3 years of OS updates until 2029. What does the extra 85,008 rupees buy you? It buys peak tech, including 3x faster performance, superior camera capabilities, 4 extra years of software support, and wireless charging. Buy Samsung if you want the absolute best camera, extreme gaming power, and a 7-year lifespan. Buy Nothing if you want excellent daily speed, a bright screen, and maximum value for your money. Ultimately, the decision is yours. Which device matches your life? Thank you for watching this comparison video.